Most backpackers, especially beginners, find packing the right gear for backpacking a daunting job because they usually have a minimal idea about what to pack and what to leave at home. Sometimes they bring along with them the wrong equipment and end up suffering. Hence, to help them out, we've made a gear list and we consider it the best budget backpacking gear list for beginners. We hope you will like it too. So let's get started. While backpacking in the backcountry on a sunny day, sunscreen is one of the essential gears you should pack inside your backpack. Because you know, ultraviolet rays from the scorching sun can damage your skin, accelerate your aging process, and even cause skin cancer. But if you have a quality sunscreen like this Raw Elements Face Plus Body SPF 30, you're good to go. So you may check this one if you don't own any. Like sunscreen, sunglasses are also considered as crucial backpacking equipment as they protect your eyes from ultraviolet rays. Not only that, but they also reduce sun exposure, helps you see routes comfortably, and most importantly, save your eyes from cataracts or other form of eye damage. However, based on our research, we found these Duco polarized sunglasses are a pretty satisfying one, and you may also check this out if you search for the best quality sunglasses. Now, we have talked about some summer backpacking stuff, but you know the weather is unpredictable and anything can happen in the middle of backpacking. As such, you encounter a downpour and you don't want your gear to get wet. In that case, a high quality rain cover like this Joy Walker waterproof backpack rain cover can save your day. It's got everything to keep your belongings dry and safe in adverse weather conditions. As the list goes up, we have various types of backpacking gear to discuss. For now, we want to talk about the paracord bracelet, which is another can't imagine backpacking without gear. It will help you in various ways, from lighting fire to tying kindling, and sometimes it will let you cut small sticks with the help of an integrated knife. That said, we have this Atomic Bear Cobra on a list that will let you do all these tasks mentioned above. No matter how many backpacking items you've packed before heading outdoors, without a package of first aid kits, it's incomplete and you will regret it after facing any danger in the wild. Hence, we recommend you always keep the best quality first aid kit to help dress blisters, treat muscle aches, and other common injuries. From our point of view, we found this Adventure Medical Kit's Ultraweight / Watertight 0.3 is a promising one and you may give it a try. Every backpacker knows how indispensable a backpacking stove can be, especially when they don't want to go with the old school technique of gathering, kindling, and lighting fire for cooking. Instead, they choose this outdoor gear as it provides constant flame that distributes evenly across the cooking utensil surface, resulting in fast cooking. On this list, we have such a type of backpacking stove titled Primus Essential Trail that also can help you cook efficiently in adverse weather conditions. Imagine backpacking in a hilly area, climbing uphill, hiking downhill, or on flat terrains. In such cases, a pair of adjustable trekking poles can be beneficial. These hiking poles will improve your trekking endurance and enable you to reach new heights with weights comfortably. Having that stated, as for recommendation, we have a pair of the best quality trekking poles named Cascade Mountain Tech 3K carbon fiber that you will love to hike with. A headlamp is another quintessential backpacking gear, without which it becomes pretty challenging to get to other ends of your hiking route. Because some backpacking spots have paths with no street lamps, besides they contain pathways that go through the dense forest. So to hike comfortably, you need to have the best quality headlamp like this Black Diamond Spot 350 that will illuminate your route and guide you along the way. We all know that health is wealth. After backpacking for a while on a sunny day, you may feel extremely thirsty, and suddenly you notice your water bottles have left you with no water. That's when a portable water filter can save your day. You should also follow them and store a high-quality portable water filter inside your backpack. If you ask for any recommendation, we will suggest you to go with the LifeStraw personal water filter. At this point, we will be talking about backpacking gear without which no backpackers can think of backpacking in the wilderness. We want to start with hiking boots. Yeah, they're essential as they provide excellent ankle support, breathability, comfort, and traction, and most importantly, they help you hike on uneven terrains comfortably. Anyway, we found this Merrell Men's Moab 2 mid-waterproof hiking boot beneficial as it offers everything for a comfortable hike out in the wild. If you plan to go backpacking for 2 days or a week, you need to pack a couple items, one of which is a sleeping pad. It helps you have a restful sleep in the middle of the jungle, on mountains, or anywhere, and recharge yourself for your next day's adventure. But the problem is, every sleeping pad won't provide you with unparalleled sleeping comfort. Only the best one, like this Nemo Switchback, will let you enjoy a sound sleep though. Let's say you are one such backpacker who doesn't want to compromise anything when sleeping. Although you have a sleeping pad with you, you want more protection and comfort. Well, in that case, a sleeping bag like Big Agnes Husted 20 can help you out. It is roomy and provides you with the cozy feel you're searching for. So, we've considered the backpack's second most essential gear for backpacking. In essence, without it, you can barely make a successful backpacking trip. This gear securely stashes all your necessary belongings, protects them against elements, and helps you hike with utmost comfort. However, if you want to know more about what a quality backpack can offer, just go through the features of this Kelly Coyote 65L. It is time to reveal which is a must-have gear while planning a backpacking trip, and it's a backpacking tent, which shelters you, shields you against the harshest elements, and maximizes the fun of your backpacking trip. Anyway, if you are a bit confused about which tent to choose among plenty of options, we want you to check out this Nature Hike tent, as it has all the key attributes making it perfect for backpacking. So that's all about the best budget backpacking gear list for beginners. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.